All right, so I'm gonna try to do this quick because I know it's about to start raining. Actually, it look like it's finna do it now. But see if I can get this going. All right, so I kind of screwed this up, so I'm gonna try to do this quick as possible. The last time, yeah, that one looked like it's charged more, which kind of sucks. But these lights, just want to do a quick run how they are. These are what I use at night, and I got another set that I use at night that I just got. I've only used it once, so show you all what I'll be rocking with. Guess there's some people still out here. These are definitely my go-to lights. Cover a nice wide range. They last a while. I can actually go 2 or 3 days without charging these for, let's say, about 2-3 hour ride. So I know I can get about 6 to 9 hours out of these joints. Yeah, like I said, these are my go-to. I tried a bunch of lights. I like these the best until someone convinced me otherwise. They're smaller than the other ones I'm about to put on. But like I said, they get the job done. Forgive me if I'm grunting. Just got off work. Worked earlier, rode in, rode back, then went back tonight. Figured I'd come home and do this and try to get it done. It's supposed to rain tonight and the next couple days. So I want to get this, at least get this video out for y'all. How y'all doing? Yeah, I was doing a lot of riding at night, so I was trying to find a bunch of lights to accommodate my night riding, because night riding is so much more peaceful. It's cool at night towards the warmer months in the Midwest. Excuse me. Not that many people out. Come up this street, this next left turn, it's pretty dark. Might be one of the darkest streets over here. So I'll go down it, turn all the lights off, and you see how these light up. So it should give you a pretty good view how bright these are and how wide they cast. But all right, right here. That's what we casting. This is what, that's a lower level. And that's off. So this is what we look with it if I wasn't with these lights on, and this is with them on. It might get a little brighter, because usually when you turn these off, they get brighter once you turn it back on. So sometimes when I'm in downtown Chicago, I'll turn them on just for a little bit, then turn them off if I hit a patch that's like nobody's there and it's lit up. So here we go. Yeah, see, it's brighter. So yeah, when you turn these off, they get brighter when they come back on. So this is how the street looks with them off and then with them on. And this is the next lower level and this level. Usually when, like I said, it's about 6 to 9 hours of running these, which is usually my rides is 2 to 3 hours. I can go, 2 or 3 hours, and I can do that for 3 days consecutive without having to worry about it. And when it gets to the lowest level, I probably can go another day or two, but the light gets a little bit dimmer than this. All right, so let's move on. Nice little climb. Oh. 9 grade, huh? All right, let me hurry up. Get these changed out. Do the last one. Close, cover wider, they're a little bit bigger. I guess it looks brighter because it covers so much more, but these are bigger. So, and these are freshly charged. Yeah, it does cover a lot more range. Yeah, I can see a difference. It's a little bit brighter. I guess we'll see the test when we go back down that street that was dark. Yeah, it's definitely brighter. I still don't know how long these joints are gonna last though. Wait, did that just hit that? Yep. So I guess that's a drawback. Slight drawback on that side. It's touching my gear shifter. I didn't change gears too much the last time I tried this. Well, I didn't notice it because I was too busy trying to keep the camera from falling. This time I'm using the GoPro 11. I was using my Sony A7 IV, had it rigged up. But unfortunately, that footage is so jumpy. Figured I'd go GoPro route. Even though I could stabilize that footage, I just want a secondary one and then I'll choose between the two. Yeah, see these, I might use these more when I know I'm going to areas that have a ton of trees or trails or something, because it's so much wider. Yeah, this covers so much wider ground that it'll let me know if a deer getting ready to pop out on me. And trust and believe, deers pop out at night. Yeah, it's just so much wider. So much wider. Well, actually I think they were the same price. Yeah. No, I think the other ones, but you can't get them on. First ones I held up. I haven't seen them on Amazon, but that's where I got them from. I haven't seen those. They've been on there for a while, but all of a sudden now I just don't even see them. But these ones I'm currently running, they are definitely on Amazon. It's 40 bucks a piece, so I spent 80 bucks on two lights. I think it was well worth it. All right, here comes the dark test. Here's the dark test. So this is what is lit up. Of course, like I said, the minute I turn these off, I believe these are the same way. It's gonna get brighter. So this is with them off. Well, this is lower level first. That's off. As you can see, it's dark. Not quite pitch black, but it's dark. And this is with them back on. So, yeah. They might be the same. I think this just covers a whole lot more ground, man. Just a whole lot more ground. It does look a little brighter, but then again, I'll stick them side by side, see if we can tell if they're actually a lot brighter. But yeah, these, I like these for late at night. Well, let's get moving. Let's go back down this street. Yeah, it seems like these are a lot brighter. Oh boy. I don't know if I want to ride tomorrow. I said I did was, but man, the disadvantages of being one of the stronger guys on the job. And then you do a leg workout on Friday, ride on Friday to work and from work. And I'll post that. Basically did a comparison. 3 different days. One day, no leg workout. Then, and they all the same route. No leg workout. Then it's the day of a leg workout. And then it's the day after. So it's three different rides of seeing how it feels. And of course that leg workout day was, I did a leg workout, then it was ride to work, then riding to work was setting up for the Maxwell show and had to push a bunch of cases, audio cases and all that stuff up the ramp. So yeah, that's gonna show itself on those videos. So yeah, and then I ended up riding back home, of course, after all that, and then, which was yesterday, and then today, no leg workout, just a bicep, tricep workout, but yeah, and then of course, breaking all the stuff down for the Maxwell show. So yeah, and I did ride this morning, and then I rode back. Then, of course, I drove back because all the weathermen were saying it was supposed to rain at 10 o'clock, and it hasn't, but I'm sure it's all pushed back to 1, 2 o'clock. So, yeah, this is what it is. I love these. I love the other ones. The other ones are my main go-to. These are a bit bigger, so of course it's going to affect my ride. It is what it is, but I'm cool with it. Definitely cool with it. So I'm sitting here thinking, do I want to go down another street? But the ones I'm thinking of, I think a bit further away. That's dark. Oh yeah, I know which one. I know which one I could go down, but I don't know if I want to go that far because it's getting close to the time. It said 1 o'clock raining, so, and I got a bunch of stuff I need to get done, so I think that's it.